गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम टीजीटी आर्ट्स 2014 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। द माउंटेन रेंज रॉकीज इज लोकेटेड इन ए नॉर्थ अमेरिका। राइट आंसर रेड सर्कल से मार्क किए हैं। इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम इज डैश अहेड ऑफ GMT। डी 5 hours 30 minutes. Rabi crops are sown in D. October December. This state tops in soybean production. A. Madhya Pradesh. The minimum age to qualify for election to the Lok Sabha is A. 25 years. The President of India can dissolve the Lok Sabha on the A. advice of the Prime Minister. The President of India can be removed from his office before the expiry of his normal term only on the recommendations of D. the two houses of the Parliament. The preamble to our Constitution include all the following except A. Adult franchise. The preamble to our Constitution provided that India is a B. sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. The phrase bicameral legislature means C. a legislature consisting of a lower and a upper house chamber. Which of the following was described as the heart and soul of the Constitution? C. Right to constitutional remedies. Judges of the High Court are appointed by the D. President. Who among the following is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha? B. Vice President. Fourth estate is referred to C. the newspaper. Our Constitution guarantees dash fundamental rights. A. 6. The Constitution prohibits human trafficking under C. Right against exploitation. The religious leaders hold power in a B. theocracy. In which schedule of the Constitution 22 languages of India duly recognized by the Constitution are listed? D. 8th schedule. Who among the following decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? D. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The Chief Election Commissioner can be removed by D. through a procedure similar to that for the removal of the judge of the Supreme Court. The statement that man without society is either a beast or a god is attributed to C. Aristotle. Article 18 of the Indian Constitution provided for the D. abolition of titles. Which of the following committees first of all conceptualize PRIs as three-tier system? A. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Duration of Gurukul education was B. 12 years. Which was the first university of world? C. Takshila. Who gave much emphasis on education during medieval period? D. Akbar. Madrasas were the seats of C. higher education. Macaulay's Minute was written in D. 1835. Learning implies something in the individual. C. occurring within. Which of the following is not a product of learning? B. Maturation. In teaching, if nothing has been learnt, nothing has been. B. taught. Teaching would come in which of the following classification of work? C. Professionals. Who was the supporter of naturalism in education? D. Rousseau. Which book was written by Plato on education? C. The Republic. Which branch of philosophy deals with knowledge, its structure, method, and validity? B. Epistemology. Knowledge according to Mimamsa philosophy is C. Both real, unreal. On whose philosophy is the current primary education based in India? C. Mahatma Gandhi. Networking of libraries through electronic media is known as B. Infliminate. Which is the least important factor in teaching? C. Punishing the students. Whose statement is this? A single shelf of a good European library has worth the whole native literature of India and Arabia. D. Lord Macaulay. Who was the chairman of Indian Education Commission 1964-66? B. D.S. Kothari. John Dewey liked best the following definition of education. D. Preparation for life. In the early Athenian education, the pedagogos was a slave. Modern education at the elementary school level can be best described as being B. Pupil-centered. Spare the rod, spoil the child. Its contribution in modern classroom serves a purpose in a dash. C. Worse way. Teacher uses visual aids to make learning. D. Interesting. The self, according to Samakhya, is different from D. All the above. Body, intellect, mind. Which is not relevant for achieving vertical social mobility? D. Religion. The famous psychologist Binet was a B. French. The proverb grapes are sour is related to C. Rationalization. The term mental hygiene has been given by C. W. Beers. Himachal Pradesh bagged Best State Award under the dash and dash sectors at the State of States Conclave 2013 organized by India Today. B. Health investment. Which erstwhile state of Himachal Pradesh was pioneer in the field of hydroelectricity generation? D. Chamba. The remains of two Buddhist stupas in Kangra district has been found at A. Chari and Chetru. Arjikya was the Vedic name of the river. C. Byas. Suketi Fossil Park is in the district of D. Sirmaur. In which year Shimla became the summer capital of the British Raj by the efforts of Lord Lawrence? B. 1864. Who is known as Mahamana? C. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Which city is known as Manchester of India? B. Ahmedabad. This tribe is mainly found in states of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. D. Bhils. There is a provision of Nirbhaya fund worth rupees 1000 crore in the Union Budget 2013-14 for C. Women Empowerment and Safety. Ryzen supercomputer belongs to C. Australia. Charminar is situated at B. Hyderabad. Neurology is the study of A. Nervous system. BCG vaccine is associated with the disease B. Tuberculosis. LPG is the composition of A. Butane plus propane. Nearest planet to the Sun is B. Mercury. The sport term S is associated with B. Lawn tennis. Which country is the only country to have participated in every football World Cup so far? C. Brazil. Indira Point is the dash point of India. B. Southernmost. They went lofting dash the city. D. Around. Choose the word which can be correctly substitute the underlined part of the sentence. Mahesh is not cut out for this kind of work. B. Suitable. Cities were by no means. C. PRQS. Unknown to India, but in ancient India they were integral parts originally related to the rest of the country. The synonym of tranquility is B. Calmness. Antonym of plenty is D. Scarcity. He applied for and was dash legal aid by the Labour Minister. C. Granted. Select the misspelled word. इस क्वेश्चन में अगर आप ये वर्ड्स देखोगे तो कोई भी मिसस्पेल्ड वर्ड नहीं है, स्पेलिंग सबकी सही है, बट जो आंसर की ऑफिशियल साइट में दी थी उन्होंने इसका आंसर डी बताया था, मेमोरेंडम. विच वर्ड will be placed first in English dictionary? D. Condolence. Give one word for the following. To examine one's own thoughts and feelings. B. Introspection. Select the correct option which best expresses the meaning of the idiom phrase. Once in a blue moon. C. On rare occasions. A song embodying religious and sacred emotions is B. Hymn. The doctor dashed the patient from taking certain medicine. C. Banned. नाक रगड़ना मुहावरे के उपयुक्त अर्थ का चयन कीजिए. B. नीचा दिखाना. दिए गए वाक्य के लिए सही लोकोक्तियों का चयन कीजिए. बात को बढ़ा चढ़ाकर कहना. D. नमक मिर्च लगाना. ऊ का उच्चारण स्थान है ओष्ठ. निम्नलिखित में से अलग प्राण का चयन कीजिए. सी. य. शुद्ध शब्द चुनिए. डी. ओजस्वी. संधि प्रकार बनाइए. दू प्लस वचन इज इक्वल टू दुर्वचन. सी. विसर्ग संधि. समास पहचानिए. ज्ञान सागर. सी. कर्म धार्य. पूरे वाक्य के लिए एक शब्द चुनिए. नहीं पैदा हुआ हो शत्रु जिसका. बी. अजात शत्रु. औरत शब्द है. डी. विदेशज. कुछ समास का कौन सा भेद है? ए. अनिश्चय वाचक. शोणित का पर्यायवाची है. सी. रुधिर. अल्पज्ञ का विपरीतार्थक शब्द बताइए. सी. बहुज्ञ. त्राही त्राही बोधक है. बी. शोक का. निम्न पंक्तियों में प्रयुक्त अलंकार बताइए. वह शर इधर गाणिव गुण से भिन्न जैसे ही हुआ. सिर जयद्रथ का उतर धड़ से छिन्न वैसे ही हुआ. डी. अतिशयोक्ति. NADA is associated with B. Anti-doping activities. The National Fire Service College is situated at C. Nagpur. In August 2013, which submarine of Indian Navy was sunk down after an explosion? C. INS Sindhu Rakshak. What is the full form of PIN? A. Postal Index Number. In 2013, Indian Science Congress was held at A. Kolkata. Who is the author of the book The Low Land? C. Zumpa Lahiri. The President of USA, Barack Obama, represent dash party. C. Democratic. In judicial context, the intended purpose of certiorari is A. To quash the order already passed by an inferior court, tribunal or judicial authority. Right to move to the Supreme Court and the High Court in case of violation of the fundamental rights is known as C. Right to constitutional remedies. The name Harry Houdini is associated with B. Magic. The first hour of every sitting of Parliament is called the Ocean Hour. The Indus Valley Civilization site Lothal is situated in D. Gujarat. Which of the following statement is not correct about Indus Valley Civilization? D. After bronze, the second known metal was iron. What was Yava during Rig Vedic period? A. A crop barley. Which of the following Vedas contain charms and spells to wards off evils and diseases? D. Atharva. There were dash Tirthankaras of the Jainism. D. 24. Which of the following is not the name of Buddha? C. Vardhamana. The death of Buddha is known as the Mahaparivartana. Alexander the Great invaded India in dash BC. C. 326. Who was the author of Mudraksha? C. Vishak Dutta. Sanchi Stupa was built by A. Ashoka. Vikram Samvat era starts from dash BC. B. 58. Harsh Charita was written by A. Bana Bhatta. Harisena, the author of Allahabad Pillar inscription, was the court poet of C. Smudragupta. Mehruli inscription, iron pillar near Qutub Minar, is associated with D. Chandragupta II. Which of the following is not associated with Kalidasa? D. Ratnavali. Heaven Song visited India during the reign of B. Harshvardhana. Priyadarshika is the work of B. Harsha. Elephanta cave shrine was got constructed by the A. Rashtrakuta. Khajuraho temple were built by the B. Chandelas. Who was the first Muslim who invaded India in 1712 AD? B. Muhammad bin Qasim. Who is considered the founder of Muslim rule in India? A. Muhammad Ghori. Who was the Sultan of Delhi, popularly known as Lakshbak for his generosity? B. Kutubuddin Aibak. Who formed Turk-e-Chehelgani, a group of 40 powerful Turkish nobles? C. Iltutmish. Who introduced the Sijda and Pebos practice in the court of Delhi Sultanate? C. Balban. Who was the Sultan of Delhi known for his market reforms and new capital? Syria. B. Alauddin Khilji. Taimur, the Mughal leader, ordered general massacre in Delhi in dash AD. D. 1398. What was Jazia? D. Religious texts. Dash was the Sultan of Delhi who transferred capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which poet was known as the Parrot of India? B. Amir Khusro. Which religious leader was known as Mahaprabhu? C. Chaitanya. Under Akbar, Mir Bakshi was required to look after A. Military affairs. The Vijayanagar ruler Krishnadeva Raya's work Amukta Malyavada was in A. Telugu. Todarmal was associated with C. Land revenue reforms. Two of the great Mughals wrote their own memoirs. They were C. Babur and Jahangir. Ustad Mansur was a famous painter in the reign of D. Jahangir, who installed a chain of justice outside his palace in Agra called Janjeer-e-Adil. C. Jahangir. Which Mughal emperor's reign is considered the golden age of Mughal Empire? C. Shah Jahan. Ninth Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur, was executed by D. Aurangzeb. Ashtapradhan were ministers of B. Marathas. Third Battle of Panipat took place in dash AD, D 1761. Vasco da Gama reached the port of Calicut in dash AD 1498. The English East India Company set up its first factory at A. Surat. Battle of Buxar took place in the year dash AD, C 1764. Who among the following is known as the father of civil services in India? B. Lord Cornwallis. The Britishers transferred their capital from Calcutta to Delhi in dash AD, C 1911. Who amongst the following was not a leader during the revolt of 1857? D. Nizam of Hyderabad. Who was the founder of Ramakrishna Mission? B. Swami Vivekananda. Which revolutionary leader was also known as Frontier Gandhi? B. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. In which town in India did Gandhiji make his first experiment in Satyagrah? B. Champaran. Name the organization founded in 1906 by the Aga Khan, Nawab of Dhaka and Nawab Muhsin ul Mulk. A. The All India Muslim League. The name Lala Hardyal is associated with A. Gadar Party. Chori Chora incident is associated with C. Non-cooperation movement. Percentage share of Indian agriculture in national income has been B. Decreasing. Indian economy is B. Mixed economy. In India, national income estimates are prepared by D. Central Statistical Organization. Economic activity of India have been divided in basic dash sectors for measuring national income. B. 3. In India, which sector contribute highest in the national income? C. Tertiary sector. Which among the following is the cause of low per capita income of India? D. All of above. Backward technology, rapid increase in population, backward infrastructure. Population can be controlled by B. Decreasing birth rate. For developing nations, the effect of rapid increase in population on economic development is B. Harmful. Birth rate refers to number of children born per dash person in a year. C. 1000. The growth rate of population can be measured by D. subtraction of growth rate from birth rate? In which state among the following the number of females is more than number of males? D. Kerala. In India, which state has the lowest population density? D. Punjab. The second 5-year plan was focused on the heavy industry. Green revolution in India has so far been most successful in the case of D. wheat. Who finally approves the draft 5-year plans? B. National Development Council. Depreciation means C. Loss of equipment over time due to wear and tear. Which of the following is the most appropriate cause of export surplus? C. Development in national and international markets. If the cash reserve ratio is lowered by the RBI, its impact on credit creation will be to A. Increase it. Excise duty is a tax levied on C. Production of goods. Deficit financing means that the government borrows money from A. RBI. A major steps of the nationalization of banks, 14 commercial banks, was taken in the year D. 1969. India ranks dash in the production of jute. A. First. Subsidy means D. Payment made by the government to business enterprises without buying any goods and services. Which of the following is not a direct tax? D. Excise duty. The model of 5-year plan for rapid economic growth has been taken from B. USSR. Which of the following program measure is not associated with women empowerment and child development? C. Rajiv Awas Yojana. The Lal Street is located at B. Mumbai. Grey revolution is associated with B. Wool production. As per census 2011, dash has the lowest literacy rate. B. Bihar. As per census 2011, the sex ratio in India is D. 940. Deepest point Java Trench is associated with B. Indian Ocean. Autumnal equinox falls on which date? C. 23rd September. Mount Kilimanjaro is in which country? A. Tanzania. Which is the longest river of the world? A. Nile. Which is the driest place of the world? C. Atacama Desert. Which is the oldest mountain chain in India? A. Aravallis. Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following state? D. Rajasthan. Suraj Lake is situated in which district of Himachal Pradesh? A. Lahaul and Spiti. In which state Kevla Dev National Park is situated? B. Rajasthan. Which one of the following rivers does not originate in India? D. Satluj. In which of the following places is the Shompen tribe found? B. निकोबार आइलैंड. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.